the construction sector, a subcontract agreement details the process by which subcontractors will complete work delegated to them by contractors and the schedule at which they will be paid for completed work. This is a legally binding document similar to other employment agreements. A subcontract agreement should specify which materials the subcontractor will supply and which materials will be provided by the main contractor. Without a subcontractor agreement in writing, both contractors and subcontractors are in a precarious position. Verbal agreements and handshake deals are easily misinterpreted, misremembered, or abused. Having a subcontract agreement in writing sets terms so they cannot easily be disputed and, if need be, can be used as evidence in a court of law. Assuming the clauses in the agreement are themselves legally sound, their interpretation will be the determining factor for any judgments made. As with any legal document, both parties should thoroughly check the contents of the agreement before proceeding with the work. In cases where the wording of a contract or agreement is unclear, clarify with the other partner so that you can amend the document before signing on. Amended contracts should always be checked in case other terms have been changed by the other party without prior discussion. Most subcontracting agreements will specify the manner in which either party can terminate the agreement early. Sometimes, this will be as simple as a written notice period which allows for alternative arrangements to be put in place. Unlike employees, subcontractors are not legally entitled to certain benefits such as redundancy payments. Some subcontracting agreements may entail a get-out clause whereby the subcontractor incurs a financial penalty as compensation for terminating the relationship early. If any default in the services or defective services appears in the development of a project, the main contractor remains liable to the customer under the main contract for any poor workmanship or underperformance by the subcontractor. However, a subcontractor who fails to perform their obligations under the subcontract agreement will likely be required to cover for any losses incurred. The subcontractor's liability is limited if the main contractor or its customers fails to perform their obligations or otherwise hinders or prevents the subcontractor from performing their obligations. Some clauses should be considered red flags for subcontractors, including the following: contingent payment clauses. These pay if paid and pay when paid clauses, which will leave subcontractors holding the bag if a client refuses to pay the main contractor, or if the main contractor unscrupulously pretends not to have been paid. This shifts the risk of non-payment entirely to the subcontractor, which is counter to their level of responsibility. Indemnification clauses. These are any clauses which state or imply that the subcontractor will hold the main contractor harmless for liabilities they would otherwise be accountable for. Non-lien clauses whereby the subcontractor waives their right to later file a lien on the project as security against potential non-payment. No damages for delay clauses that leave subcontractors liable for delays caused by other parties. Subordination clauses. These shift the pay priority so that the subcontractor will be further down the totem pole and less likely to get their due if the project is canned. Subcontractor agreements on paper can be easily misplaced, damaged, or destroyed. For this reason, it's best to make digital copies of any legal documents and store them on cloud systems. Cloud systems allow you to access and categorize files remotely from any device with an internet connection or mobile data, kept secure with passwords and generally linked to your email address. Using subcontracting agreements and saving them to a cloud system will discourage either party from exploiting the other and help ensure both parties can be treated fairly in the event of a dispute. Having a digital agreement also means that contracts can quickly and easily be updated and shared or used as templates for future contracts. BuildSafe and levelset.com offer free subcontractor agreement templates online, which you can download and modify for your needs. BuildSafe also provides a suite of additional documents for use in relation to the subcontract. These include templates for, among other things, payment claims, payment schedules, site instructions or variations, notice and certificate of practical completion, notice of defects, notice and certificates of completion, notice of dispute and notice of adjudication. All of these documents can be downloaded from the BuildSafe website at buildsafe.co.nz. If you are unsure with or unhappy about a subcontracting agreement, seek legal advice independent of the other party.